All right, here we go, folks. Monday morning. Weekend's over. Time to get back to work. Markets are flat. Dollar flat. Oil trading a bit lower. Now, Friday, we had the unemployment data. Unemployment rate ticked lower, down to 5.8%. Jobs came in just over 500,000 new jobs created. Expectation was 900,000. However, the miss wasn't quite as bad as April. So what does that mean? Well, it gives this market a bit of hope that the economy is still on track. We're still seeing a bit of a recovery. However, the recovery is not so strong that the Fed's going to have to jump in and raise rates. As a result, a lot of feeling that this market's going to keep pressing higher. Now, a lot going on this week. Here's what you need to know. Thursday, inflation data, CPI, a lot of eyeballs on that number. Thursday, European Central Bank meeting. A lot of eyeballs on what the ECB is going to do. Are they going to start tapering and raising rates anytime soon? We've also got Thursday talks around Iran and a nuclear deal, which could, if they come to some sort of resolution, put more barrels of oil back onto the market, which could put some pressure on oil. We're seeing oil trade lower as a result, just below $70 a barrel in WTI. All right, folks, a lot to do this week. Let's get in there. Let's have a little fun. Trade some price action. I'll see you tomorrow morning.